This tattoo kit comes with everything that you need to get your tattoo business started. Attach your needle to your tattoo gun. There's a 7-setting stroke change, an LED screen with an on and off button, and speed changes. This tattoo gun can be charged and used for 5 to 6 hours of work time. Start by dipping the needle into the ink. You can practice on the fake skin that's provided in your kit.